Hi everyone, welcome to this quick guide to downloading and installing XAMPP. Let's go to Google and search for XAMPP. You need to go to apachefriends.org, which is first on the list. Before we proceed, let me give you a little information on XAMPP. XAMPP is probably the most popular local web server you can find on the internet for the time being. It is easy to install, easy to use, and is a powerful web server that includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Now let's take a look at its name for a moment. X stands for cross-platform, A stands for Apache, M stands for MariaDB, P stands for PHP, and the next and last P stands for Perl. It has all you need to develop or learn to develop complex database-driven websites. XAMPP is completely free, and as I mentioned, it is cross-platform. To download XAMPP, select your version based on the operating system you are using. As you can see, they are right on the front page. These are versions for Windows, Linux, and macOS. Pay attention to this language switcher. The default is English. If you want more information about XAMPP in your own language, of course if it's available on the website, you can go ahead and do it. But I'll just leave that and proceed with the XAMPP installation. If you are a Windows user like me, please note that the current link is for Windows 7 or later users. If you are using Windows XP, open the download menu here, and you'll find the link to a compatible version right here. I'll just go to the previous page and click on this link to start downloading XAMPP. And it takes a while. It took me about 8 minutes to download, but it can vary depending on the speed of your internet. So I'll fast forward to make the video shorter. You can pause this video and wait for XAMPP to finish downloading. The installer has already been downloaded, and I'm going to open the folder containing the file and run it. The first thing you see is the welcome screen of the XAMPP installation wizard. Just click Next. The next one is the component selection screen, and here I'll just leave everything checked and click Next again. The folder selection screen shows up. I prefer to leave it as it is, so I click Next. And then the language selection comes. Here you got only two options, English and German, and I'm gonna select English and click Next. This screen of the installation wizard contains a single checkbox. It is just an offer to load some web page in order to learn more about the software when the installation is complete. I'm going to uncheck this box and click the Next button. OK, click the last time. Here I will skip ahead once again because the installation takes a while, as does the download, and you can pause the video and come back when the XAMPP installation is complete on your end. Okay, there is another checkbox, and the last question is, do you want to start the control panel now? I say yes, so I leave that checked and I click the Finish button. After you click on the Finish button, another dialog box will show up prompting you to select language. Let's select a language and press Save. Now the next step is to start Apache and MySQL services. If you see these green highlights, then everything is in order. Now you can open your browser and type HTTP localhost in the address bar. If you see this page, congratulations, it works. If you don't know how to locate your XAMPP control panel, go to Drive C, XAMPP folder, scroll down, and you'll see the control panel. Double click, and here you are. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. If you liked this video, please click on the thumb up icon and subscribe to the channel. This will motivate me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.